This is Business Insights. I'm David Matthews. HighTrust Incorporated, the cloud security automation company, has released HighTrust Cloud Control, the virtual appliance that resides between administrators and VMware vSphere. The new offering delivers an industry-first separation of operator duties and monitoring access to ensure that only authorized personnel can configure security controls and policies. Joining us now is EricChiu, co-founder and president of HighTrust. Eric, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you for having me, David.
Great. Hey, Eric, what are you announcing today and what's significant about it?
So we're announcing the newest version of HighTrust Cloud Control 4.5, and the big news is that we've extended our controls and the visibility that we provide for virtual infrastructure and private cloud environments, and very much for companies that are adopting vSphere as a platform. And we're extending those controls to VMware's newest platform, which is NSX, their software-defined networking platform. And that's exciting because all the same administrative controls, role-based access controls, object-level access controls, centralized logging and visibility, two-factor authentication, including things like TACACS, which is a very networking focused authentication method, are very important to organizations looking to adopt software-defined networking. And it's for a couple reasons. One is that the network itself is the connecting point for everything. And the second is that a lot of security functions are also made available in the network as well. And so you need to ensure that those functions are managed securely and that we can operationalize this new environment that essentially is combining virtualization administrators and networking administrators. And we can segment those users very much in the same way that VMware enables you to micro-segment your networks.
Can you tell us about HighTrust's relationship with VMware?
Yeah, we have one of the closest relationships with VMware. VMware is an investor in HighTrust, along with other major companies and partners like Intel and Cisco. And VMware is also a very close development partner. We worked hand in hand with VMware to not only develop the NSX capabilities we talked about, but also we're very much a standard in terms of vCloud Air, vSAN, vSphere, and we're integrated with VMware's management business unit products as well.
So can you explain to us what NSX customers will have happen if they don't use the HighTrust? What would happen in that case?
So, very similar to, virtualizing your servers, right? You essentially have a very powerful platform. In the case of virtualizing servers, you have the ability to delete any virtual machine in the environment or write a script to delete all virtual machines. Similarly, as you virtualize the network, you have very powerful capabilities. You can create and manage and change networks on the fly. You could delete or stop security services like firewalls or load balancers. And so those are very powerful functions and capabilities, and you want to make sure that administrators can't make the wrong changes to your network, either accidentally or maliciously. And without HighTrust, frankly, they can. With HighTrust, we protect your network environment.
I can see how that's very important. Now, what are your thoughts about NSX?
NSX is very exciting. So we have a lot of VMware's biggest customers as our customers. Some of the largest credit card companies, health companies, pharmaceutical companies, government, departments and intelligence agencies. And a lot of those same companies are looking to virtualize their networks in the same way that they've been able to do that with their servers. And in the end, what everybody's looking for is greater agility. right? The ability to create and manage and change networks on the fly, and in the end, agility is crucial to every organization that is, really trying to compete at a worldwide level.
Well, when will the high trust cloud control for NSX be available?
So it's already generally available. It's generally available today. You can purchase and you can contact us for the product.
Well, it sounds like a great product to have and something that businesses need. Virtualizing and security issues are great today and getting bigger all the time. Eric, thank you so much for being with us today.
Great, thank you, David.
The VMware and the security services that go around it are critical for businesses today, and this is a great service application that is available today. This is Business Insights. I'm David Matthews. Thank you for being with us.